Alright, today I'll be reviewing a pair of Retrosuperfuture sunglasses, which is a brand that was created in 2007 by Daniel Beckerman, who desired to push the artistic boundaries of the optical design industry. Since then, the sunglasses, which are handcrafted in Milan, Italy, have soared in popularity amongst sunglass aficionados and celebrities such as Tyga, Kid Cudi, A$AP Rocky, and of course, Kanye West. Now, the pair I'm reviewing is a collaborative effort with the Italian rapper GHALI. So, let's get into it. And bam, there we go. Retrosuperfuture. These came in about 2 weeks, even though they came from Italy, which was shocking. Alright, you can see there we got the signature from GHALI. Open it up to reveal a case and a cloth, a carrying cloth. This thing is super smooth. I was pretty impressed by it. Now check out the gemstones. All the hardware is metal, gold-plated metal with the signature on the backside. They are numbered. Mine is 007. Must be luck. Of course, these are handmade in Italy. Now the hinge is super reassuring, no wobble, nothing. Fantastic. As you can see, that metal hardware with the super insignia, this is some real high quality stuff, man. Let me tell you. Yeah, I think I like these sunglasses. Alright, thanks for checking it out. And of course, peace.